Hey guys, this is Jia Ying and welcome back to my channel. Today is another episode of me learning how to cook from Mummy. Today she will teach me how to cook sesame ginger oil chicken with special ingredient dough. If you like this video and would like to support us, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe. And please also remember to click on the notification bell so that you'll be alerted when our next video is up. So, 妈咪要煮这道麻油鸡 right？要用什么材料嘞？
就姜麻油了，酒、鸡这样。
Oh, okay. So, Mummy say we need chicken. Of course, we are using kampong chicken, otherwise known as free-range chicken, because we prefer the lower fat content. And we are going to use lots of ginger, as you can see. Then some mixture of soya sauce, oyster sauce, and what's that?
Dark sauce.
Dark sauce. So for the actual quantity that we used, please refer to the description box below. We will write detailed instructions there. And then we would need sesame oil, of course, and dom. Yeah, and some salt as well. So we're gonna season the chicken. We're gonna add in about half teaspoon of salt. The light soya sauce, dark soya sauce, and oyster sauce mixture. And then mix it evenly. So as usual, we're gonna dry fry the ginger first. 先炒姜啊。So we dry fry the ginger so that the ginger juice will be evaporated and the oil won't splatter when we add the sesame oil. Now that the ginger juices are dried up, I'm going to add in sufficient sesame oil to dry fry the ginger. 还要多一点油吗？
多。再加
OK。So typically what we are going for is for there to be enough oil to sort of cover the ginger, right? Yeah. I remember this one, last time Kim confinement, right? She actually feed me. Then I keep eating. So, Kim, if you're watching, I remember. So the ginger is almost golden brown already, right? You still fry or?
Yeah.
Continue frying, yeah. So you just have to watch it real well because you don't want it to burn. Okay, then I just turn off the heat. So transfer it to a stainless steel pan. We decided to transfer the ginger to the stainless steel pan instead of, because we are worried that the chicken bones might actually scratch the non-stick pan that we were using earlier. So once the ginger is golden brown, we're just gonna add in the chicken. So once the chicken is cooked, you can see that it's already cooked from the weight strings, right? Yeah. Then I'm gonna add about 1 cup of water. We used hot water so that it doesn't bring down the temperature too much and it cooks faster. 你要盖吗？
盖。
Okay. And we can just cover. So now the chicken is cooked. Just gonna put this here first. Reduce heat now. Okay. Reduce to low heat. And then we're gonna add in the DOM. We are using 50 ml of DOM because we like the strong alcohol taste, but you can turn off the heat already, right? So we turn off the heat now. But if you guys don't really like the alcohol taste, you can feel free to reduce the amount of DOM used. So now taste test. I like enough DOM. Thank you, Mommy, for teaching me. So that's it for today's video. We hope you guys liked the video and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe, and also click on the notification bell so you know when our next video is up. Feel free to leave a comment down if you have any questions regarding the recipe. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye!